The Velocity drive should be installed by a qualified person. These instructions are for guidance only. Remove the manual crank handle from the drive shaft. Bolt on the mounting bracket using the leg manufacturer's recommendations. Check the Velocity drive will align with the bracket. Tighten the bolts according to the leg manufacturer's recommendation. Attach the Velocity drive to the leg drive shaft. Remove the front screw cap. Insert the manual hand crank and rotate to align the Velocity output hole with the drive shaft. Using a hammer and punch, insert the provided split pin into the aligned holes. Replace the front screw cap. Select a suitable location. Using the template supplied as part of the fitting kit, create 4 holes to secure the battery box. Attach the battery box using the screws, washers and bolts supplied. As the final step, insert the fuse into the fuse holder. Replace the battery box cover.